morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are happy and fine. Today, children, yesterday we studied the chapter Resources and Development. We studied in it about what are resources and what are resources. Later then we studied what is the classification of resources. 4 types we had studied yesterday. Today, children, we will proceed in that process and we had studied all other types of resources. Now today in that process we will study about development of resources. Children, in your chapter in class 10th, it is not a development of resource as you think that we will study only about resources development. In this chapter, as I had seen, it is not the story of development. It is a briefing about the development of resources. What is required for the good development of resource, that is told in this chapter. This is not a development of resource, not a story of development. This is a briefing of development of resource. Briefing means what is done in briefing? Good or bad and best. That is done in briefing. So let's go through it, children. As this is our part 1 you had seen. Now this is the part 2 of resources and development. Okay. So let's start over this chapter. I think the introduction, the lines I told you, you understood what I said. Let's start. Children, in this chapter, resource and development of resources we have to study. Development of resources. What is required for the development of resources? It is required that, as you all know, the resources are vital for human survival. Vital for human survival means they are the lives. They have the vitality for the resources. And as they are vital for life, they also maintains the quality of life. These resources maintains the quality of life. Quality, you know, in each field we want the quality thing. So same is here, we want quality of resources in development of resources. It maintains, when we do the development of resource, it maintains our quality of life and it is vital for human survival. It is believed that resources are free gifts of nature. It is believed that resources are free gift of nature, and it is, as it is believed, you all know it. Yes, it is a free gift. No charge has taken by the nature from us as a human being. So it is a free gift. It's right. Next thing is resulted, as it is the free gift. So what? As per the human behavior, human beings used indiscriminately, that led to problems. As nature has given the free gift and we used it, we means human beings, we used it indiscriminately, that resulted in many problems. What are the problems? That resulted in depletion of resources. Depletion, ending of the resources. Excess use resulted in depletion. Next is how the depletion of resources resulted? For satisfying the greed of few individuals. For satisfying the greed. Greed, you all know, over aiming, over targeting a thing. So that is greed. Means what we require more than that is called greed of few individuals. Few individuals, like the developed countries, they are using overall most of it exploiting the resources. That resulted in depletion of resources due to the greed to attain those resources in maximum quantity. Next is accumulation of resources in few hands. Accumulation, we will say, accumulation means being together, being in one hand. We can say, according to the word used here, accumulation of resources in few hands, which in turn divided the society in two segments. Means those people who are having the resources, who are fetched with the resources, they became rich, and those who are not having the resources, they became poor. Means have-nots, rich and poor. It created a valley between those having and have-nots. Okay, accumulation of resources. Okay, next thing, what is the result of free gift? Indiscriminate exploitation of resource. Indiscriminate exploitation of resources has led to global ecological crisis. Indiscriminate exploitation of resources has led to global ecological crisis. Indiscriminate exploitation means no instruction to anyone. Those who are occupying it, they are misusing it, they are over-exploiting it, and it resulted in many global problems like global warming, like ozone depletion, and environmental pollution, and land degradation. Okay? These are the things that resulted of indiscriminate use of resources. What are those? First is global warming, land degradation, and ozone layer depletion, and environmental pollution. These are the problems that are resulted by the overuse of resources. So we are studying development of resources, and we are studying what are the harms of the resources. But this is the matter of importance. This is briefing. So it is given here. The next is, so this is about development. Our next thing is coming. So what is required? As it was the free gift, what is to be done for the development of resources? How it can be done well? These are the harmful effects. These are the 4 harmful effects that are resulted. So what we have to do? We have to make an equitable distribution of resources. An equitable distribution of resources, equal distribution of resources to each of the nation has become essential for sustained quality. An equitable distribution of resources has become essential for sustained quality of life and global peace. Sustained, you all know, just for only use, not of over exploitation. If we need 2 breads to fetch our stomach, we just use 2. We should not use 4. It will create problem to the body and to other needs. It may harm all the things. Same is the process here. Resources should be used in a sustained way by each of the country. As much it is required, it should be used. Okay. Next is present trend of resources. If the present trend of resource depletion by a few individuals and countries continues, as like developed countries like America, Russia, France, and all these countries, as they are over-exploiting the resource, it all resulting in a resource depletion.